Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn about design. There are some type of designs like geometrical design, natural design, decorative design, abstract design. Okay, so in geometrical design we use geometrical shapes like triangle, circles, semicircles, rectangle and square, and like that all the geometrical shapes. In natural designs we use natural shapes like leaves, flowers, butterflies, birds, fishes, all these shapes. In decorative form we use some shapes and decorate it. For example, girls are making mehndi on palm, okay, on hand they make the mehndi, so those shapes means decorative form, decorative design. So let's start the video and I'll explain some designs on the paper. When you start the drawing, first of all you decide the shape, which shape you are going to make. Now I am giving some examples for this. Now suppose pot design, design on a pot. Now this is symmetrical, okay, from both the side same, but asymmetrical also you can make. This is asymmetrical, okay. Now you can make, suppose design on a hand fan. To make you understand, I am giving just some examples I'm giving, okay. Hand fan, simple shape, okay, and these shapes I'm making small, but when you are going to finalize the shape, that shape will come on entire paper, means big shape you supposed to make. Now suppose that hand fan is in round shape, okay. So like that also, then here you can put the design, here you can draw any design whichever your requirement. Here you can draw the design, here you can draw the design, so as you want you can make the designs as per shapes. So now this sticks are there, you don't want to keep that simple, make little more attractive, you want to make this more attractive, then give some curves, turns, okay, so that it will be more attractive. To make this more decorative, you can put some curves here. So this is the part of design, okay, but main basic shape should be very clear and enough big. Now to make you understand, I am making these shapes small on one paper only to explain this topic, design. I am drawing on one paper, okay, but when you finalize the shape, whichever shape I told in homework, when you finalize the shape, then you proceed accordingly, okay. Now suppose, now design, you have geometrical design, you have decorative design, okay, abstract design, natural design. So if I ask you to place some geometrical shapes, then you have to draw those shapes in this space, okay. Now this triangle, then semicircle, you can repeat the shapes also. Now this triangle I made in this way, here I am making in this way, suppose. Okay, now this semicircle, then square, see now when I'm making square here, little part of the square is cut, okay, but even then we can understand the shape, it is square, it is not looking like rectangle, it is looking like square, okay. So you can make whatever shape you want to make, you can draw that, but that shape should be very 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 clear, okay. Suppose circle I am making here, I want to place one circle here, and if little part of the circle is cut in the design, it's okay, okay. Even you can place some curve lines also, but not too much, okay. You can place some straight lines, okay. Here I place one straight line and here one more. Now two straight lines are there, one curve line is there, then two semicircles are there, one circle is there, one rectangle, one square, one triangle, sorry, two triangles are there. So like that you can complete your design part, okay. Now this is design part of the, suppose design on a hand fan, this is a topic. So you can complete this design in this way, then you can fill up the parts of this design. Now here one color, here one another, you can repeat different colors in different places, you can place those. Now suppose there is topic design on a plate, okay, design on a plate. Now you have to draw plate shape, okay. Now here suppose here you want to draw some natural shapes. Natural shapes means the shapes which we find in the nature, like shape of the leaf, okay. shape of the flowers. You can repeat that one. You can even draw sun. Natural shapes means anything which you get or you find in the nature. Okay, when you compose your design, please make sure that you will not make very tiny parts, very small parts, otherwise it will be very hard to color. Okay, if few are there then okay, but many are there then it will be very hard to color it, and it is very time taking. So you can make in this way. Okay, you can place some more things in this. You can repeat the shapes again. Okay, even butterfly you can make. Okay, such way you can make the butterfly. You can repeat that butterfly or any other shape like bird. Even you can draw fish. So this is the design on a plate. Okay, design on a plate, or you can say design in a circle, design on hand fan. Okay, so you can make these kind of shapes. These are the examples. You can make your own shape, you can think about that. Okay, but when you select any shape, that should be, if it is big in height, vertically is big, then you have to hold the paper in this way, and at least that height should be more than 18 centimeter, more than 18 centimeter to draw. Okay, to draw the proper shape. Okay, geometrical shape, to draw this outer shape or to place geometrical shapes in between any shape. If you need, then you can use scale, you can use compass, set square, whatever things you need to draw that shape properly, you can use in design. Okay, now when you are going to place the design in any shape, whether it is in circle or that shape is in hand fan, suppose that shape is hand fan, or that shape is in pot shape, whatever. Okay, always see that you will leave 1/4 part empty of entire space. 1/4 space of that entire shape will be empty. Okay, it means what? 3/4 part will be with the design, means 1/4 will be empty and 3/4 will be filled up with the design, and that too overlapping. Overlapping is must in design. When you overlap the shapes, so then you part those shapes that, and you create something new in that. I hope you understood the composition of the design. Here are some shapes as per paper size for your reference.